Today's video is part of a collaboration hosted by If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Stick around to see my St. Patrick's Day table. Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing my St. Patrick's Day table. This was supposed to be posted over a week ago, but I had some issues with the video not uploading, and I went out of town, so this is a take two. So let me show you what I've done. On the bottom, I've got just two table runners, one white lace running one way, and then this one with the shamrocks running the other way. The white one I already had, the shamrocks one I bought for 40 cents at Goodwill. And we were supposed to have green dessert, and I made Lucky Charms cookies. But we don't have Lucky Charms in our house, we have Happy Shapes from Piggly Wiggly. Anyway, they work just the same. Now for the tiered tray. I've got my little leprechaun fat bird on the top. He came from Dirt Cheap. He was around $1. He's got a little tag that says 2019, but that don't bother me. I'll probably use him to 2029 if I'm still around. And there's my cardboard placemat with Mardi Gras beads that I had on my Mardi Gras table because I like reusing things over and over. Some gold whatchamacallits. And there's a Mardi Gras flower, a green rose with yellow center, and there's a white one. Coming on down, the lucky sign and the hat came off of one of my wreaths that a friend gave me. And then I've just got some green beads and some gold bells. I don't know how gold bells fit in with St. Patrick's Day, but I throw them in anyway. And that's a little oil lamp, green and white. The color scheme was supposed to be green and white with pops of gold. I've got a gold charger under there. I didn't have green or white dishes, so I'm just using yellow. I thought that went okay with the gold. And I never found my shamrock cloth that I was going to make napkins with. So I don't have my napkins and silverware, but that's okay. Now over here's a little bucket with the saying, be awesome today. You should be awesome every day. Inside that I've got some straws and some little bits of ribbon that came off of a wreath also. We have a Kiss Me On Irish necklace. And over here we've got two Happy St. Patrick's Day necklaces in green and gold. And then some cute little buttons. Have cute sayings on there. I've got some gold shamrocks on the table, also off a wreath. And I've got a couple of serving dishes back there with some yellow on them. But they're white, green, and yellow. So that's about it. The only thing I've got, we don't do a lot of decorating for St. Patrick's Day, but I do have a couple of vases back there that's got some green and gold in them on the candle stand. So yeah, that's my St. Patrick's Day table. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please do so. This was a collaboration hosted by Kel from If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. And let me also tell you that I got the recipe for those cookies from Anniejones. And she can show you how they're made. I'll link Kelly's channel. And I'll also link you the video to how Annie made those cookies. So there we go. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone, and stay well. Hello everyone.